This weight gain smoothie has helped me a lot in my weight gain journey. You all can see this transformation. So the smoothie contains one banana, avocado, and milk. I decided to use 2 bananas in this recipe and some milk. You can use any milk of your choice, but I decided to use the milk with 3.5% fats because I'm trying to gain weight, so I want something that has fat. Avocado has a lot of fats. Banana has a lot of fats. I got a question once on my YouTube. Someone says, what if I am eating the banana just like that? I said to the person, eating a banana and making a banana smoothie are two different things. Eating a banana, of course, you will add some weight, but it's not as fast as you make banana smoothie. If you make banana smoothie every single day and drink it every single day, trust me, after some week, you will start seeing the results on your body. So eating a banana and making a banana smoothie are different things. And avocado has a lot of healthy fat. So I make this smoothie twice a day. I drink it once in the morning, after breakfast, before work, and then once in the evening before bed. I really like it. I try to mix it up sometimes. I try to add like other fruit like kiwi, apple, different thing, but mostly I stick to banana and avocado because those two ingredients I've seen a lot of great result. And also this milk, I also try to drink a lot of milk instead of like drinking water. I drink water, but I also kind of like combine milk and water into my diet. And also I try to eat much more than I normally eat, knowing that I'm someone who burn fats faster. So trying to increase my diet and also with this smoothie helps me to maintain the weight. And I'm also going to the gym to just build up my muscles. So this is the smoothie and it tastes delicious. I really loved it. Give it a try and tell me what you think about it.